Battery replacement on Asus GL502VM laptop. Thank you, Sir Bernard, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The Asus GL502VM laptop underwent a complete battery replacement to restore its mobility, power stability, and overall reliability. The original battery had shown significant signs of wear, including reduced charging capacity, shorter usage times, and inconsistent power delivery. These issues limited the device's portability and performance, making a replacement necessary. The service was carried out by carefully disassembling the laptop to access the internal battery compartment. The defective battery was safely removed and replaced with a brand new, model-compatible unit designed to meet the laptop's power requirements. Proper connections were secured, and the new battery was installed to ensure safe and efficient operation. Battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.